Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I want to bring you along as I batter I have some thinly sliced pork chops, and I'm going to do it on the Blackstone Griddle. Usually I won't batter anything, but since my fried tomatoes and all worked out great on there, I'm going to see how this does out on the Blackstone. So first I'm going to just salt and pepper my pork chops. And since they're so thin, I'm only going to salt and pepper just one side of them. And then in my flour, I just have a little bit of flour, and I did put a little bit of salt and pepper in that. So all I'm going to do is just lightly coat them in flour. Shake off the excess. And then I will meet you outside. I've got my griddle heating up. And I will meet you outside and we'll see how these cook up out there. It won't take them long at all. Okay, as I'm going to say in my okra video, this is a video, I'm filming actually two separate videos. So this is one meal that I'm cooking everything on my griddle. So I've got my fried okra there, my fried potatoes there. Pork chops are going to go here in the middle. I've heated my griddle up till it was very nice and hot. And now I've cut it down to low. So what I'm going to do is coat it with some oil. It looks like a lot that comes out of this squirt bottle. It really is not. And a lot of it will drain away. And I'm just going to start laying my pork chops down. And like I say, these won't take long at all to cook. Alright, I'm going to let these cook. And you take that bowl in too. I'm going to let these cook till they're nice and brown on the one side, and then we'll flip them. Alright, let me see if these pork chops are ready to turn. Looks good, nothing's sticking. Frying up nicely. I kind of zoom in close so you can see. Alright, let me see how these pork chops are looking. Oh yeah. Still nothing was sticking. These are basically done. Didn't take long at all. So I'll take them up and I'll meet you inside. Alright, the ending will be the same on both the pork chop and the fried okra video. Let me try my floured thin pork chops. Nothing stuck. Didn't take it long at all to cook. Very good and tasty. It's got a good flavor, which I pretty much say everything cooked on the Blackstone tastes better to me. And it didn't take this meal long at all to cook, and I just gotta go clean up that griddle. That's all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.